Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn off a function double tap screen to turn it off. Right now, when we double tap any empty space on our home screen, the screen will turn off. So, how to turn off the turn off option? We need to go to settings, then in advanced features we have motions and gestures. And in here, as you can see, we have double tap to turn off screen, turn on. So let's turn it off right here, and let's say 1, 2, 1, 2, nothing happens. So this function is now turned off. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.